Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Roma and I will be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you honest review on K-beauty products, so keep on watching. But don't forget to moisturize your skin. After then, I am going to use skin corrector of MAC and it is in shade Pure Orange. Following by my first product of K-beauty and it is redness correcting in green color. According to the price range, the product is very nice and plus point is that it comes in a stick form, so the application is better. Now I am using K-beauty hydrating foundation and my shade is 11 on light. Talking more about product, it is of 1200 which is quite high according to me. Coverage is sheer to medium which is buildable, that is a plus point. Fixing everything up with MAC Studio Fix, I am in shade NC35. I am using Benefit Eyebrow Pencil and I am in shade 5. This product is best in market. Going further with K-beauty's eye palette and my shade is Wild and Free. This palette retails at 1200. According to the price, I give it a thumbs up. All the shades are very buildable and very buttery. Now I can't hold myself that much, so I have to say that K-beauty and their packaging is like just wow, it blows your mind. I've tried to show you every color that I am using on my crease and slowly I am building the color and I am intensifying my eyes. Going further with K-beauty Intense Smoky Waterproof Built-in Smudger Easy Blendability. I am in shade Raven Hue. So what I like about this kajal is that it comes with smudger. And trust me guys, this kajal is seriously a waterproof kajal and it was so easy to blend. Plus the plus point is that it comes with smudger and it is waterproof. Wow. Going further with mascara, I am using K-beauty Lala Lash Volumizing Mascara and I am in shade Midnight. Luckily, this product was on sale and it costed me about $639 and I was in love with my lashes. I am using Color Bar's blush and I am in shade 010. Went further with Color Bar Contour and Highlighting Kit. I am in shade Neutral. Now I am using K-beauty Illuminating Highlighter and I am in shade Sunlit Gold. I think I will say again and again, I am in love with packaging of K-beauty. It was a bling moment for me. Now using K-beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick. I am in shade Snapshot. Application was so smooth, it feels so buttery. The color is perfect nude for me. In short, I love the lipstick. At last, locking it all with my Faces Canada makeup fixer. And this is my final look. I am in love with this look and I hope you also love this video. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Be healthy, be happy, be positive. Till then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.